Hi, this is a continuation of previous video. Last video we seen about shift functions. We are seeing shift function. What are the parameters? How we can pass the parameters? Quick review. We will go a quick review. What are the functions and what are the function as a parameter? What are the labels? How we can give the labels and inode parameter, default value, all those things we have seen in a previous video. In this video we are going to see about return type, multiple return type, tuple return types, and function as a parameter, function as a return type, nested function. All those things we are going to cover it here. If you didn't see the previous video, just see and come to this video, otherwise you may not understand some of things. Okay, yeah, let's jump into the video. In all this we have already see already all the parameter things. Now we are going to see the return types. What are the return types in the function? So we'll just clear out these things. We'll create one function with valid source valid form. So in the form I'm going to pass the input of a is equal to int, and the return type syntax is this arrow return type. Okay, whatever the return type you are going to pass out from the function, you have to give here. Data type is like integer, string, boolean, char, all those things, float, double, whatever it is, you have to do it here. This is a return type value. If you are not returning anything, you can remove this one. And this is a parameter, as like we see in the text. So the error message is we already gave return, but we are not returning anything. So if you put return type, you must return something. Return 0. I am returning 0. So now the value will be gone. So I just call the function. So this function will be I give 8. So instead of 0, I gave 8 as a return type, a as a return type. So when I am calling here, whatever the parameter I am passing, it will, we are not printing it. Okay, print that valid form we will call, and valid form will print. So it's a return type, right? So valid form, we will print this one. Let's run this one. Also see 8 is printing, so the function is working. So this is a one value return type. So in shift we can return multiple return types. As like that, you can return two return type also. So for that you have to cover with a bracket and another one int. Okay, so here when you are returning the value, you have to return it like same bracket, and one value I'm going to return as a, another value is a plus 10. Okay, so two values I'm going to return. Two values are like let's see how it is returning. Okay, just I am running the value. It's like it will return like a comma 18. So you can give the name also, max. Okay, now when I am running, there will be no difference, but the point is you can where item is equal to the same value. Now I am getting the valid form in there. Okay, so now I am placing this, the min value is min value is item dot max. See the value label, right? The value label we are getting here. Then comma the min max value is same, item dot max. So this is a min. Okay, so now I am running this one. Now when I am running this one, see, you can split the value. It is not about 3. You can give n number of return values. It's like that's not a good practice. Mostly you try to give 3 to 4 return values. Otherwise you can use some data classes or something to return a value. For example, for now I am just showing I am returning another one value like type string. Okay, type is string, so I'm going to add the string value as addition. Okay, so I'm printing now type is item dot type. Okay, so now I am giving, see, addition. So I am not doing any functional, any logical things. This is for your functional knowledge. What is the function, what you can do with the function, for that I am doing. So you just do whatever the functional things and return whatever you need from the here. So these are the return type. You can return multiple values. So another one thing is you can return null also, as like that. Tuple returns, they will say, like if you have question mark, if you put question mark, you can return here as if for example I am taking this is equal to 0, return nil. Return, you can return nil. Okay, so it will show an error because we are giving and tuple, so we are returning a null also. So for that, before we are going to get a value, you have to check null check. This is a null check question mark. You have to use the question mark to check this item is null or not. So otherwise you can do like this to get the value from there. Okay, so this is the form. This is one of the tuple. You can use it in your functions in your program to get all those things. So inside here we can write anything. And next advantage of this shift thing is you can pass a function as a parameter and return a function as a return type. So let's go with that one. Okay, I'm going to show this as I'll just erase this one. So let's see. Function main dev. So we have one function called main dev. We have another function called sub dev. Okay, so we have another one function called primary dev. Okay, so this sub dev will have the parameter of subdev will have the parameter of integer, 2 integer. So a int, b int. Okay, and return type of 1 int. So we will do like return a plus b. Okay, I'm just doing for example. So this will have like some string where you will get. Okay, item is like string, name is like string, return type is also string. Okay, so we will return like things like item is item, name, the item is. Okay, so I'm returning this. So the thing is, when I am going to pass this sub and dev primary to this main function. Okay, so how I can pass is this, before the parameter, how we will do is we will give one name and the thing data type we can pass. Like that we have to give one variable name. Instead of this we have to give int only the function's data type, parameter type, whatever you are giving in the first bracket is a parameter, then output as integer. Okay, so this is one function. So just check this one, we have two parameter, integer and integer. Here also we have two parameter, integer and integer. The return type is string, integer. So if I want to get another one is I will take, and I am going to send this primary also. Okay, so primary also I am sending like to string comma string. Okay, so now I can pass this subdev and primary dev. I will show you main dev. So give is like subdev. So subdev we have to show two things. Okay, subdev. So this one is primary dev. Okay, so inside we are getting this, right? So give, we can pass this variable like 5 comma 3. Okay, so we'll print, we are printing this give means our this one. Okay, let's see, we'll just print this one. Okay, sorry, okay, okay, 10. So what we 6 plus 4 is 10. So I am same thing, I am going to print take is like Tesla 01 XL01. Okay, now I am playing this one. So we got the value, the item name is Tesla, the name of the item is XL01. Okay, so now we send the parameter as a now we send the function as a parameter. Then we are going to see how to return the function as a parameter, return type. So the same thing, return type, how we are providing the return type, we put that. And I am going to return this subdiv as a return type. As for that I am going to same whatever we are written here, we are going to copy this and we will paste inside here. Okay, so now when we are going to return, give. Okay, yeah, this error is based on we didn't put the escape reclosery to this function, to this parameter, functions parameter. If you put, we need to annotate with the escaping, then it will be work. So now if you see here, we are sending this to parameter as a parameter, and we are returning this subdev as a return type. Then which means in main dev you can pass another two value like 8, and you can get return like where. Okay, so print 1. If I print 1, this 5 plus 7 will needs to come. Let's check. See, 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. It's showing. So this is a function as a return and function as a return type. And another one thing is you can shift support nested functions. So you don't want to use outside function, you can, how many function you want to create, you can create inside the function itself. Okay, so this is because of the error we change this one to inside. So So inside function, whatever the function you can create all those things. So I think this video is useful for you guys, and if you have any other more doubts, just check this official document of Shift. They will have all the function types except the function as a return type and function as a parameter, and all those things. Those things they won't have, and in nested functions also. So other than that, you can everything get from here. Let's see you guys in another next video, new video from any other new technologies. Thank you.